Welcome back to another Marble Duel, and this is the last one of 2020. So as you can see here, we have Forest and Rainforest. As you can tell by Forest, he has gotten a redesign. And the reason why I did this is because, yes, he had a swirl of cat's eye green, but he had a paler tone of jungle, meaning that it was a bit confusing to me whether if it's jungle or forest. So as a result, Forest needed a redesign. So basically, it was also part of a different marble, so therefore, yeah, Clear Cool Swirl is no more, as this is your new Forest look. So yeah, let me know in the comments, what do you think of this new Forest redesign? So then while we have Rainforest here, so it's battle the two Forest named marbles, Regular Forest and Rainforest. Which of these two do you think will win? Standard Forest is doing really well, while Rainforest is, yeah, he is trailing pretty badly. Boy, Rainforest is not doing well, but I think it's already too late for him, as Forest would win, and sadly for Rainforest, he lost. So he did well, but background would go to Forest at this point. And so yeah, that is it for this. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Subscribe to the notification bell enable if you haven't already to get notified when I upload a new video and go live, which I do multiple times every single week on this channel. And I'll see you guys back tomorrow, well, on Christmas Eve, of course, for the last race of 2020. Be prepared. Bye for now.